welcome back guys to the lecture. So last time we talked about the standing wave in one dimension. We looked at the characteristics of a standing wave, right, like in a string. We did the demo, and then we also came up with this equation where the wavelength lambda is given by twice the length of the string divided by m here, right? And then we said this m corresponds to number of anti-mode, right? Anti-node, not node, but anti-node. Remember, node at this point here, anti-nodes at this point where the maximum oscillation of the wave occur, that is the anti-node, okay? And then we said we can also find the frequencies of actually this frequency, right? The higher order frequencies, which are also called overtones, they are just the multiples of the fundamental frequency F1, okay? And we also touch a little bit about interference, constructive interference, and destructive interference. We'll do a little more mathematically more details equation here today, okay?